There was a one. The big. It's. Oh. It was a new world. Everything was okay. I'm making a song today. Soon any cold brew destroyed our place. Everyone gets wild. You just be my squad playing Fortnite. Then one day it happened in real life. It was so fun. It was so fun. It was so fun. Then one day we were asleep. When the next morning someone died. I don't know how this happened, but it was really bad. I'm gonna join my friend's party, even though he looks a little farty. That's a little weird to say. I'm sorry to say that. He's still a good friend. It's only me and the two right now. It feels weird because I'm having a flu. Yeah. All day, all long. I play it all day long. The next morning I woke up, somebody got injured. I don't know how. Maybe somebody got shot and they got sniped. I don't know what happened. Then I bandaged him up and then tied him over cheek. I said, eat this or you'll die. By me sneezes, achoo. So the doesn't feel on. I like play Fortnite all day. Fortnite all day, Fortnite all day, Fortnite all day, Fortnite all day. I play Fortnite all day. Fortnite all day, Fortnite all day, Fortnite all day. I play Fortnite. And one day my friend died. It was just me and the duos. Don't say anything, please, because I am staying right here to make a YouTube video. I play Fortnite all day long now. I will pause the video right here in 1 second. And now we're continuing. I play Fortnite all day. I play Fortnite all day, Fortnite all day, Fortnite all day, Fortnite. Then one day it was just me and the duos. I already said that. Doesn't really matter. Let's play Fortnite. I'm with my friend right now. We play Fortnite all day long. Fortnite is my life. Fortnite is my life. Fortnite all day. Get some bug spray. Fortnite. I'm saying this song too long. This is gonna take ages. I don't really care, cause it's just Beauty and the Beast. I don't think so. We are gonna play sword fight. It's kind of like squads, but with swords. Squads. Fortnite is back. It's season 8. I don't really care about that. Fortnite all day, Fortnite all day. Fortnite all day, Fortnite all day. This is my fighting for reference. I can invite or even join. The people are playing right now is 40 matches. And we'll end this song soon enough. I'm gonna play Fortnite all day long. Fortnite all day long. Bye. Sorry guys, sorry, bye.